Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the sizzling world of bikini fashion with none other than the stunning Disha Patni. Known for her impeccable style and killer confidence, Disha has been setting trends and turning heads with her bikini looks. So, let's take a closer look at some of her hottest bikini fashion choices that have left us in awe. The actress often opts for classic black bikinis that highlight her toned physique and exude timeless elegance. The simplicity of a black bikini allows her natural beauty to shine without any distractions. She often pairs it with minimal accessories, letting the bikini speak for itself. Disha Patni isn't one to shy away from trendy styles, and cut-out bikinis are a favorite of hers. These designs feature strategic cutouts and intricate patterns that add visual interest to her swimwear while still maintaining a classy appeal. The cutouts often accentuate her curves in all the right places, making for an eye-catching ensemble. High-cut bikini bottoms are another go-to for Disha, as they elongate her legs and create a flattering silhouette. Whether paired with a matching top or mixed and matched for a playful look, these bottoms are a staple in her beach wardrobe. The actress seamlessly blends sporty and sexy elements in her bikini fashion choices. She often incorporates athletic-inspired details like racerback tops, mesh panels, or sporty prints, adding a dynamic edge to her beach ensembles while still maintaining a feminine allure. While her bikini choices are often minimalist, she knows how to accessorize with confidence. Whether it's a delicate body chain, oversized sunglasses, or a wide-brimmed hat, her accessories always complement her bikinis without overpowering them. One of the most striking aspects of her bikini fashion choices is her commitment to showcasing her natural beauty. She often opts for minimal makeup and effortless hairstyles, allowing her sun-kissed skin and radiant smile to take center stage. The actress often incorporates interesting textures and detailing into her bikini choices, adding depth and visual intrigue to her beach looks. Whether it's a bikini with crochet accents, ruffled edges, or textured fabrics like ribbed knits or velvet, she elevates her swimwear game with attention to these finer details. One-shoulder bikinis have been a recurring trend in her beach wardrobe. This asymmetrical style adds a modern twist to traditional bikini silhouettes, drawing attention to her shoulders and collarbones while offering a unique and fashion-forward aesthetic. While Disha often gravitates towards solid colors, she also embraces prints and patterns to inject personality into her bikini choices. From classic stripes and playful polka dots to exotic animal prints and tropical florals, she isn't afraid to experiment with different motifs that reflect her fun and adventurous spirit. The actress understands the importance of versatile cover-ups to complement her bikini looks. Whether it's a breezy sarong, a lightweight kaftan, or a stylish beach dress, she effortlessly transitions from beach to bar with these chic layering pieces that provide both coverage and style. Mixing and matching bikini tops and bottoms is another styling technique favored by Disha Patni. This allows her to create custom looks that suit her mood and occasion while maximizing the versatility of her swimwear collection. She expertly pairs contrasting colors, textures, and styles to achieve a unique and personalized aesthetic. The actress occasionally opts for monochrome bikini ensembles, where the top and bottom share the same color or hue. This cohesive approach creates a sleek and polished look, elongating her silhouette and exuding effortless sophistication. While Disha often leans towards classic bikini silhouettes, she also embraces statement-making styles that push the boundaries of conventional swimwear. Whether it's a plunging neckline, a high-waisted bottom, or a strappy cutout design, she isn't afraid to embrace bold silhouettes that showcase her confidence and individuality. Her bikini fashion choices reflect her unwavering confidence and body positivity. She celebrates her curves and embraces her unique beauty, inspiring her fans to feel comfortable and empowered in their own skin, regardless of societal standards or expectations. The actress sometimes opts for bikinis with strategic cutouts that accentuate her curves and create visual interest. These cutouts are often placed strategically to highlight her best features while adding a playful yet edgy twist to her swimwear. The beauty elevates her bikini game with the addition of embellishments and intricate embroidery. Whether it's delicate beading, sequins, or ornate stitching, these details add a luxurious touch to her swimwear, making her beach looks stand out with their intricate craftsmanship. Wrap-around bikinis are a favorite silhouette in her swimwear collection. These styles feature straps that wrap around the torso, creating a flattering and adjustable fit while adding a touch of visual interest. Whether tied in the front, back, or side, these bikinis offer versatility and style in equal measure. Disha occasionally channels bohemian vibes in her bikini fashion choices, opting for styles with crochet detailing, fringe accents, or tribal-inspired prints. These boho chic elements add a laid-back and free-spirited feel to her beach ensembles, perfect for soaking up the sun in style. Nautical-inspired bikinis make an appearance in her swimwear rotation, featuring classic navy and white stripes, anchor motifs, or maritime-themed embellishments. These timeless designs evoke a sense of seaside sophistication, perfect for a day spent lounging on a yacht or strolling along the boardwalk. The actress seamlessly blends athleisure elements into her bikini fashion choices, incorporating sporty details like zip front tops, racerback styles, or mesh inserts. These athletic-inspired touches add a modern edge to her beach look while ensuring comfort and functionality for active days by the water. Drawing inspiration from retro aesthetics, Disha occasionally embraces vintage-inspired bikinis reminiscent of old Hollywood glamour. Think high-waisted bottoms, halter necklines, and retro prints that harken back to the golden era of swimwear fashion, adding a touch of vintage allure to her contemporary beach style. Beyond just style, the beauty also makes eco-friendly choices in her bikini selection, opting for sustainable swimwear brands that prioritize environmental responsibility. Whether it's bikinis made from recycled materials or brands committed to ethical production practices, she uses her platform to promote sustainability in fashion. The actress opts for bikinis with multi-way tops, offering versatility in styling. These tops can be adjusted and worn in various ways, such as halter neck, bandeau, or crisscrossed at the back, allowing her to switch up her look effortlessly while ensuring a secure and flattering fit. Embracing her love for travel and adventure, the actress incorporates tropical prints into her bikini choices, transporting her and her followers to exotic destinations with every beach photo. Think lush palm leaves, vibrant florals, and tropical fruits adorning her swimwear, evoking a sense of paradise wherever she goes. Channeling retro glamour, Disha occasionally rocks high-waisted bikini bottoms that accentuate her curves and create a flattering vintage-inspired silhouette. Paired with a matching or contrasting top, these bottoms add a touch of old-school charm to her beach looks, perfect for capturing the timeless pin-up aesthetic. Adding a touch of luxe to her swimwear, the actress incorporates metallic accents into her bikini choices, such as gold hardware, metallic threads, or shimmering fabrics. These subtle yet impactful details catch the sunlight and add a glamorous sheen to her beach ensembles, elevating her poolside style with a hint of sparkle. The actress incorporates artistic prints into her bikini choices, showcasing her appreciation for creativity and expression. From abstract designs to painterly strokes, these prints transform her swimwear into wearable works of art, making a bold statement and sparking conversation with their unique aesthetic. Embracing bohemian chic, the actress occasionally opts for bikinis crafted from crochet or macrame fabrics, adding a handmade touch to her beach looks. These intricate textures and openwork designs create a laid-back yet luxurious vibe, perfect for boho babes and free spirits alike. The beauty occasionally personalizes her bikinis with customized embellishments, such as monogrammed initials, embroidered patches, or unique charms. These bespoke details add a touch of personality and exclusivity to her swimwear, ensuring that her beach looks are as one-of-a-kind as she is. In line with growing environmental consciousness, Disha often chooses bikinis made from sustainable and eco-friendly fabrics. Whether it's recycled nylon, organic cotton, or regenerated polyester, she prioritizes brands that are committed to reducing their environmental impact while still delivering high-quality and stylish swimwear. The actress embraces versatility in her bikini choices by opting for convertible styles that can be worn in multiple ways. Whether it's a bikini top with removable straps or bottoms with adjustable ties, these convertible pieces allow her to customize her look to suit her mood and activity, providing flexibility and freedom in her swimwear. Adding a touch of romance and allure to her beach looks, the actress occasionally chooses bikinis with intricate lacing or corset-inspired details. These delicate laces crisscross along her silhouette, creating a captivating focal point and enhancing her feminine charm with their intricate craftsmanship. Embracing retro femininity, Disha incorporates vintage-inspired floral prints into her bikini choices. These timeless florals evoke a sense of nostalgia and romance, reminiscent of bygone eras while still feeling fresh and modern in their execution, perfect for a timeless and elegant beach look. Drawing inspiration from traditional craftsmanship, the actress occasionally selects bikinis adorned with ethnic embroidery or intricate needlework. These artisanal details add a global flair to her swimwear, celebrating cultural heritage and craftsmanship while adding a unique and personal touch to her beach ensembles. Infusing her beach looks with playful movement and whimsy, the actress occasionally opts for bikinis adorned with tassel accents. Whether dangling from bikini ties, adorning the edges of tops and bottoms, or decorating straps and embellishments, these playful tassels add a fun and flirty touch to her swimwear, perfect for dancing in the sun. The actress embraces contemporary chic with bikinis featuring wrap around knots and ties. These intricate knots cinch the fabric at strategic points, creating flattering gathers and drapes that accentuate her curves and add visual interest to her swimwear, while also allowing for customizable fit and styling options. Adding a touch of bohemian flair, Disha occasionally chooses bikinis adorned with fringe details. Whether cascading along the edges of bikini tops, swaying from halter ties, or embellishing bottoms, these playful fringes add movement and texture to her swimwear, creating a dynamic and eye-catching look that's perfect for beach festivals and poolside parties. While Disha is known for her bold and glamorous beach looks, she also embraces understated elegance with minimalist bikinis in neutral tones. These sleek and sophisticated designs feature clean lines, subtle details, and impeccable tailoring, allowing her natural beauty to take center stage with effortless grace and sophistication. She adds personalized touches to her bikinis, such as custom embroidery, patches, or embellishments that reflect her interests, hobbies, or favorite coats. These unique details add a touch of individuality and personality to her swimwear, making her beach looks truly one of a kind and memorable. Disha Patni opts for bikinis with layered fabrics, adding dimension and visual interest to her beach looks. These layered designs often feature sheer panels, lace overlays, or cascading ruffles, creating a sense of depth and texture that elevates her swimwear with a touch of whimsical romance. Embracing retro nostalgia and bohemian vibes, the actress incorporates tie-dye prints into her bikini choices. These vibrant and psychedelic patterns add a playful yet laid-back feel to her beach ensembles, evoking carefree summer days and music festival vibes that resonate with her free-spirited persona. Infusing her swimwear with feminine charm, Disha selects bikinis with scalloped edges. These delicate scallops trim the edges of bikini tops and bottoms, adding a sweet and romantic touch to her beach looks while evoking the whimsy of seashells and ocean waves. Adding a touch of waist-cinching allure, Disha opts for bikinis with wrap-around belts or sashes. These belts accentuate her hourglass figure and add a polished finish to her swimwear, while also offering a functional element for adjusting fit and styling options. Infusing her swimwear with a sporty chic aesthetic, the actress selects bikinis with contrast stitching. These bold stitching details add a pop of color and a dynamic edge to her swimwear, creating visual interest and highlighting the contours of her bikini silhouettes with athletic-inspired precision. Embracing avant-garde fashion, the beauty chooses bikinis in futuristic metallic finishes. These shimmering fabrics, holographic prints, and reflective surfaces create a futuristic vibe that feels modern and cutting-edge, perfect for making a bold fashion statement on the beach or at poolside parties. In addition to sustainable fabrics, Disha also embraces bikinis dyed with eco-friendly and innovative techniques. Whether it's natural plant-based dyes, water-saving processes, or low-impact dyeing methods, she prioritizes swimwear brands that are committed to reducing their environmental footprint while still delivering vibrant and stylish colors. The actress occasionally collaborates with artists and designers to create custom bikinis that reflect her personal style and artistic vision. These collaborative efforts result in unique and limited edition swimwear pieces that showcase her creativity and passion for fashion, while also supporting emerging talents and fostering creativity within the industry. And there you have it, Disha Patni's hottest bikini fashion choices that have us all swooning. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.